Tell me the story of how you came to know Christ.
You mean like my testimony? I don't have one.
My story is really simple. I don't know why anyone would really want to listen.
Oh, well, you got about 2 hours? Because it's let's just get a chair. Come on.
Why would anybody want to know my story? I don't have a story.
There are all kinds of reasons why we aren't comfortable sharing our testimony with others. But the story of who Jesus is and how he changes lives is always compelling if we just know the best way of how to share what he's done for us. Ladies, join us for Blessed Assurance, a workshop on how to share your testimony. We'll meet here at First Baptist Saginaw on Saturday, June 3rd from 9:30 to 1:30. We'll serve a continental breakfast and then some lunch. We just ask you to bring $5 to offset the cost. We look forward to seeing you then.